It's raining today. Welcome to Walmart store here in Bacolod City. It's along Lacson Street. Hello everyone! For today's video, we are here at Walmart store because today we will gonna cook Miyeokguk soup. So we will going to find some ingredients here, just like otoge seaweed. So let's go! These are the available seaweeds for Miyeokguk soup. 49 pesos. But I think it's a little. We're going to check for the otoge seaweed. Oh, this one. For 225. Spicy rin namin. We're going to buy this because I'm lazy. Let us buy ramen. She's craving ramen for the rainy season. We're going to pay now. Now we will going to soak the milk in cold water for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we will going to rinse now. Oh no, there's a lot. It's magic.
So we need to cut it later.
Yeah. And after rinsing it, just quick rinse. And you just have to squeeze it. There is an excess water.
It's just like you're doing laundry.
It's just like laundry. Ganyan. Let's see. And now we will going to cut it.
Wow, cute ba? Color yellow.
Oh! Okay, guys. As you can see, we're going to cut it now. 30 grams, there's a lot.
Naka grams?
I think it's 30. It's like a lot. Ang tapang dito na yun. First time.
Pasalog ba in English?
Spinach.
Spinach. Yeah, it looks like spinach.
Spinach in the sea.
I like spinach.
Now we will going to add it to a big pan. And then just add 10 cups of water. 10 cups. 10 cups of water. Then we will let it boil.
For 12 minutes?
For 12 to 15 minutes. Until the water boils. While waiting for that, we will just have to cut the meat. It's beef brisket to add protein on the seaweed soup. Now we will going to cut the meat. The small slice.
The meat looks like so yummy, MJ. She.
Yeah. Boogie. But the knife is not sharp. Then after 12 minutes, we will just add now the meat. Handa, di ng pot holder. Okay. Then we'll add the meat.
Wow. Looks yummy. Especially the meat.
Then we will set the fire to medium heat and let it boil for 40 minutes. Until the meat gets tender. Cover it with lid. Then we'll just wait. After 40 minutes, we're going to add now the garlic and the fish sauce. Fish sauce, first
Oh, I tried that before.
Oo, when we eat sangyup, diba? There's a soup. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. It's not soy sauce, it's fish sauce. 3. You can just add soy sauce or salt to taste. Later we will add it. We'll just check if the meat is tender.
Babe, show me the meat. Wow.
The meat, you can see the meat. So we will going to taste now. And you know what, Bev?
What?
This Miyeokguk is a traditional eaten as a birthday breakfast based on what I researched. And to the woman who gave birth. We will going to taste now. And then right after you taste it, if it stays good, then we will add the sesame oil.
Try it, Mary Joshi.
Nami, bago seaweeds, gid sa sabon.
Sangyup sana ng kulang.
Sangyup. You, Bev. Bakit?
Namit doon. I can taste the meat. Nga, ay, yun, nagkapasama ng kulang to. I like sesame oil, especially with sangyup.
And now it's already cool. Then we will just add the sesame oil.
Finally, maybe we can build our own restaurant.
So, what's the taste?
Meat lang.
It's masisaya.
Marami sa niyong ano mo?
Seaweeds.
Hindi na naman kanin.
It's good for the weather.
For the rainy
For the rainy weather.
weather. Ano nga lang?
Oh, kimchi. Partner with kimchi. Ay, takin na.
Meat and sesame oil.
So, what's the taste, Ben?
The meat and sesame oil.
On the soup.
Meat.
This is everyone.
That's our dinner, Mary Joy.
And to those who celebrating their birthday, happy birthday!
Sinusuka.
Sinatsuka na. Bye-bye!
Bye everyone. Thank you for watching. Let's eat dinner.
That's it!